Oh, that's fantastic. I'm giving it an O. I'm giving that truffle oil an O. It's all about supporting and promoting our fish and chip shops nationwide. Swift Order are supporting me on this mission to celebrate real, independent chippies. They're a family-run company helping takeaways offer online ordering without paying commission. If you'd like to take orders online or you're fed up with paying high fees, Swift Order is an easy, reliable platform with one clear, low monthly cost. It's simple to use and it's backed by a UK support team that's always ready to help. Right, we're at Oliver's, Warton. There's a pub called the Clifton Arms at Warton. The place is incredible, the staff are wonderful. We're on our way, actually, to the coast. And my wife spotted this one, and it looks absolutely fabulous. So we turned round further up, about half a mile up the road, got back here, and absolutely, what a fabulous little setup. You've got a cray pot hanging from, a lobster pot, if you like, hanging from the, it could even be a crab pot, but, you know, we could argue this all day long. It's hanging from the ceiling up there. We've got wood panelling and everything. The whole place is set up. We've got great packaging and something a little different with these chips. And look at this, fork stuck in there. Lovely customers. I'm liking this. Oh, here we go. My wife's gone for, because it's freezing. It is absolutely freezing. My hands are so cold, I'm going to warm up on her pie. She's got cheese and onion pie. Now this is made locally from the Lytham bakers around here somewhere. So we're going to give that a go, cheese and onion. And look at this. We've got big chunks of sea salt, which normally wouldn't stick to a chip, but because they're drenched in a truffle oil. Truffle oil. Oh, that's fantastic. I'm giving it an O. I'm giving that truffle oil an O. I'm going to cut this pie in half and have another one of these chips. I'm going to have some more of these in a bit. Truffle oil. Ask for truffle. Call in at Oliver's. Let's just give the rest of the food a go first. So let me have a go at this cheese and onion pie. It looks great. Look at that crust. Yeah, that's not been in the microwave. Oh, look at all that cheese going on in there. Oh, what a fabulous pie. That is absolutely delicious. Let's try a bit of this Bloody Mary sauce. Normally reserve this sauce for meat pies, but I've just got to give it a try. Oh, I'm warming up now. Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at this. Haddock and chips. This is their regular haddock. They make the peas in-house. I've got big sea salt flakes on here. Those chips are incredible. I thought for a minute there I had the truffle oil on, but no. And that's truffle oil with real truffles. It's not just the name. I mean, I had to double check that because, you know, how people call things all sorts of things and they're not the real, but it's actually made from truffle. Fabulous. And they've got the baskets of chips all measured out, ready to go into the fryers. And they make the peas in-house. I'm going to go with them first. I was worried there for a minute with them being very green. How's that? Peel test. They're absolutely delicious. Now, we always said, if we're driving anywhere and we go past a place and we see a place that we think, oh, we're going to have to give that a try, we'll just turn around and pull in. We'll still go to the other place, but we'll call in. And this one, so we're having fish and chips twice today. That's okay. As we save a lot of this stuff, like the peas and the chips, We'll save, well, I don't know if I'm saving any of them because they're absolutely gorgeous. I can hear her chomping down on them through the glass. So let's break this fish open. This is where it really gets interesting. Nice crispy batter going on there. Check that out. Mm. It's got a gentle sweetness to it. I'd be very surprised if that's not brought in through Fleetwood up the coast here. Just up the coast here. The fish had dried out a bit around the batter, but only on the edges. Absolutely delicious. Let's try it with a bit of this tartar sauce. Yeah, that did it. I've had my glasses on through the whole of that. I forgot. I normally take them off when I'm eating, just because of the splashback. So let's get straight into these reviews. 1 star. Overly priced. The chips were hard and the gravy, well, just okay. Disappointing, really. Not a true chippy as such, served in boxes. You know, there's always a debate on what is a traditional chippy, what's a true chippy, if you like. With regard to this comment, me personally, I have no problem with boxes. I'd rather have a cardboard box than any of those kind of plastic containers or plastic-like containers, polystyrene. And even in a plastic bag, as a carrier bag, I think anything like that, I think it sweats. And I would much prefer a cardboard box. I'd much prefer paper with a bit of that grease-proof paper wrapped up with a few chips too. That'll do me. Paper and grease-proof. I can understand the convenience of a cardboard box, but I have no problem with it. And I don't think it's got anything to do with not a true chippy. I think not a true chippy would be a kebab shop or a pizza shop or a burger shop, fried chicken shop. These days, a lot of people are diversifying, and you can understand why, because there's a lot of other takeaways popping up around them that are also serving chippy food. So it's kind of like, well, how do we compete with that? Well, maybe start selling a bit of stuff like they do. And yeah, diversifying is not always a great way to go, but at the same time, you know, you can understand the frustration with a lot of shops. And it's a real shame. 3 star. Ordered meals for delivery, but it arrived 15 to 30 minutes late and was too cold to eat. Didn't reheat very well, as I don't have an air fryer. Very disappointed. 5 star. Great service, friendly staff, food is always hot, never been served a cold meal, price affordable, and meal deals are lovely. 10 out of 10. There was some good looking meal deals there on the board. I think I'll put a picture in. In fact, if I haven't put a picture in, I'll put it in now of some of the deals. Mine, 5 star. On our way to the coast, we caught a glimpse of Oliver's Chippy. It looked inviting, so we turned around. The shop was modern and well designed. The staff were welcoming and helpful, and even gave us a small sample, little tub, of chips in a sauce carton to try with the truffle oil. Wow. If you get the chance, order a portion, as we did. I ordered haddock and chips with mushy peas. The haddock was a good size, wrapped in a crispy batter. The chips were all sorts of shapes, just the way I liked them, with plenty of crispy ones mixed in. The mushy peas looked a little bright, but tasted great and had a nice consistency. The cheese and onion pie was sourced from a local bakery and packed with real cheese in a crunchy crust. Overall, it was a delight. Call in if you're anywhere nearby, and do not forget that truffle oil. Cooking in, oil, cash or card, hygiene rating 5, fish reviewed, haddock. See you on the next one.